Hey everyone, Joe Wicks here, your body coach. Today I want to talk to you about something that has truly transformed my life in ways I never imagined. Over the years, I've experimented with countless fitness routines and health regimes, from high-intensity interval training to yoga, from paleo diets to intermittent fasting. I've tried it all. But nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing, prepared me for the incredible transformation I experienced during my 21-day juice fast. It was a journey that tested my willpower, but the rewards were beyond my expectations. Not only did I lose a solid 10 pounds, but I also felt my energy levels soar to new heights. My skin began to glow with a radiance I hadn't seen in years, and my mind felt sharper and more focused than ever before. It was as if I had unlocked a new level of vitality. Now don't get me wrong, it wasn't always easy. There were moments of intense craving, times when I felt like giving up. The first few days were particularly challenging as my body adjusted to the new regimen. There were days when all I wanted was a big plate of pasta or a slice of pizza. The cravings were real and they tested my resolve, but I reminded myself of my goals and the reasons why I started this journey in the first place. I stuck with it, and the results speak for themselves. The weight loss was just one part of the transformation. The mental clarity, the boost in energy, and the overall sense of well-being were equally, if not more, rewarding. Today I want to share my journey with you, to inspire you to take control of your health and discover the amazing benefits of juice fasting. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling great, inside and out. It's about giving your body a chance to reset and rejuvenate. Juice fasting involves consuming only fresh juices made from fruits and vegetables for a set period. It's a way to flood your body with essential nutrients while giving your digestive system a break. The key is to use a variety of produce to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. The process can be incredibly rewarding. As you start to see and feel the changes, you'll realize that the effort is worth it. Your body will thank you for the nourishment and care you're providing it. One of the best parts of this journey is the sense of community. There are so many people out there who have experienced the benefits of juice fasting and are eager to share their stories and support others. Joining a community can provide motivation and encouragement, making the process more enjoyable and sustainable. So, if you're looking to make a positive change in your life, consider giving juice fasting a try. It's a powerful tool for transformation, and the benefits go far beyond just physical appearance. It's about feeling great, having more energy, and living a healthier, happier life. Cheers to your health and happiness. Remember, the journey to a better you starts with a single step. Let's take that step together and embrace the incredible benefits of juice fasting. You won't regret it. So, what exactly is juice fasting? In a nutshell, it involves consuming nothing but fresh fruit and vegetable juices for a set period. This means saying goodbye to solid foods, processed ingredients, and sugary drinks. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your body. By flooding your system with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, you give your digestive system a break and allow your body to focus on cleansing and repair. The result? Increased energy, improved digestion, clearer skin, and yes, even weight loss. Now, let's be real for a second. Losing weight is one of the most challenging journeys many of us will ever embark on. We all know losing weight and staying healthy can feel like an uphill battle. The sheer number of choices we have to make every day can be overwhelming. There's the constant temptation of junk food, which seems to be everywhere we look. From fast food restaurants on every corner to vending machines at work, unhealthy options are always within arm's reach. Then there's the pressure to conform to unrealistic beauty standards. Social media, magazines, and even movies often portray an ideal body image that feels impossible to achieve. Add to that the sheer exhaustion of everyday life. Balancing work, family, and personal time can leave us feeling drained, making it hard to find the energy to exercise or cook healthy meals. It's easy to feel defeated, to tell ourselves that we just don't have the willpower or the time. We might look in the mirror and feel like giving up before we've even really started. But I'm here to tell you that you have the power to change. It's not about having superhuman willpower or endless free time. It's about making a commitment to yourself and taking small, manageable steps. It all starts with making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Maybe it's swapping out soda for water or taking a short walk during your lunch break and finding what works for you. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and find a routine that fits your life. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Friends, family, or even online groups can provide encouragement and accountability. Plan ahead. Preparing healthy meals and scheduling workouts can help you stay on track, even when life gets busy. Ultimately, the journey to losing weight and staying healthy is about empowering yourself. Embrace the process, be kind to yourself, and know that you have the strength to achieve your goals. My own juice fasting journey was a wild ride, full of ups and downs, cravings and triumphs. The first few days were definitely the toughest. I felt hungry, a bit lightheaded, and missed the feeling of chewing actual food. But I pushed through, reminding myself of my goals and focusing on the positive changes I could already feel in my body. The energy boost was undeniable, and my skin was starting to look clearer than ever. Plus, let's be honest, who doesn't love experimenting with different juice combinations? Speaking of juice combinations, let me share some of my favorites that kept me going during those 21 days. In the mornings, I loved starting my day with a vibrant green smoothie packed with spinach, kale, apple, ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. For an afternoon pick-me-up, I opted for a refreshing blend of beetroot, carrot, apple, and a touch of ginger. And in the evenings, I found that a soothing cucumber, celery, and mint juice helped curb any late-night cravings. The day I finally stepped on the scale after 21 days was nothing short of exhilarating. The numbers flashed 10 pounds down, and I couldn't believe my eyes. All those green juices, all those moments of resisting temptation had paid off. But more than the number on the scale, it was how I felt that truly mattered. I felt lighter, brighter, and more energized than I had in years. My clothes fit better, my skin was glowing, and I had this newfound sense of pride and accomplishment. The weight loss was incredible, don't get me wrong. But what surprised me the most were the unexpected benefits that went beyond the physical transformation. I found that my mind felt sharper, my focus was clearer, and I had this renewed sense of motivation and drive. It was like the juice fast had not only cleansed my body but also decluttered my mind. I felt more in tune with my body, more aware of my cravings, and more empowered to make healthier choices. Lessons learned, perseverance, and you can achieve anything. My 21-day juice fast taught me some invaluable lessons about health, willpower, and the power of perseverance. I learned that even when faced with cravings and challenges, we have the strength within us to overcome them. I learned that small, consistent changes can lead to remarkable results. And most importantly, I learned that taking care of our health is not a chore, but an act of self-love and empowerment. Juice fasting, not a magic bullet, but a powerful tool. Now, I want to be clear. Juice fasting is not a magic bullet or a quick fix. It's not about deprivation or punishing your body. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out, giving your digestive system a break, and flooding your system with nutrients. It's about making a conscious choice to prioritize your health and well-being. It's a powerful tool that can kickstart your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Join the journey, share your story, and inspire others. Your personal experiences can be a beacon of hope and motivation for others who are looking to make a positive change in their lives. I'm so passionate about the power of juice fasting that I encourage you to give it a try. Juice fasting can be a transformative experience, not just for your body, but for your mind and spirit as well. Start with a short fast, maybe 3 days, and see how you feel. This initial step can help you understand how your body responds and can set the stage for longer, more impactful fasts in the future. Listen to your body, adjust as needed, and don't be afraid to experiment with different juice combinations. Each person's journey is unique, and finding what works best for you is part of the adventure. And most importantly, share your journey. Documenting your experiences can provide valuable insights for others and create a sense of community and support. Share your successes, your struggles, your favorite juice recipes. Every detail can be a source of inspiration and guidance for someone else. You never know who you might inspire to take charge of their health and discover the incredible benefits of juice fasting. Your story could be the catalyst for someone else's transformation, leading them to a healthier, happier life. So don't hold back. Share your journey and inspire others to embark on their own path to wellness. Cheers to a healthier you. So there you have it, my 21-day juice fasting adventure. It was a journey filled with challenges, discoveries, and ultimately, incredible rewards. Remember, you are capable of achieving amazing things when you set your mind to it and prioritize your health. Now go out there, grab some fruits and veggies, and get juicing. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.